Hello children, how are you? I think you are fine. Now today we are learning lesson number 3, mathematics, a trip to Bhopal. Children, we going every time picnic through school with our parents, friends. Today, this lesson is also a picnic trip. A picnic trip. We are in trip Bhopal. We are in Bhopal. Some children in a school, some children went to picnic to Bhopal. Class first, 33 children. Second, 32 children. Third, 42 children. Fourth, 50 children. And fifth class, 53 children. Now, we see here, we calculate the total children, how many children went the picnic. Children, see here, 3, 2, 2, 3. 0, carry on 1, 3, 3, 4, 5, 5, 20, 20 or 1, 21. Total children is 210. If total buses are 4, then how many children went to picnic and how many children left? Here total children 210. So 210 divided by 4, because here total bus is 4. Total children is 210. So equal to 4 5 20. 1 left, 10, 4 2 8.5. Here 5 is not 5 because 5 means 2 children left. If we going through 4 buses, now 1 bus children 52, 2 children is left. So 4 buses not enough. We need 5 buses. We need 5 buses. Why 5 buses? Because 2 children is left. Now children, next is journey start in the morning. Continue we go, and children, if journey start morning 9 o'clock, after 2 hours, how many times there? So 9 o'clock, after 2 hours, we add 2 hours. So total 11 o'clock. Now Manjeet said it is very hard. We said it is 70 meters. Now children, between 10 o'clock to 11 o'clock, they reach Bhimbhatka. They reach Bhimbhatka. Bhimbhatka is here between two Bhopal, on the road Bhopal. Clear? Then they reach a pull. After some time, they reach a bridge. Reach a bridge. There is bridge length is 500 meters. Children, only imagine the bridge length is 500 meters. Here is short for meters, MTRS. Clear, children? But have you ever crossed the long bridge? About how many meters long was it? Then we calculate this bridge. They need to 30 meters long. After some time, they go near a petrol pump. Near a petrol pump. On the way, two buses refill the petrol. How many buses? Two buses refill. One bus take 15 minutes. How many times take two buses? Two buses take, we calculate here 15 into 2, other way 15 plus 15. Why 15 plus 15? Because multiplication is a repeated addition. Multiplication is a repeated addition. So if we add 2 times of 15, then we got 30 minute answer. We here 30 minute answer. So same answer. Clear? So you see here, 2 bus take 30 minutes. If I want to other buses timing, then we calculate same way. Now children, after sometime 11 o'clock they got Bhimbatka, and some children are see a picture. There is picture, write some numbers 112, 113, 114, or some children search their different type numbers, because teacher give a task, you will search different type numbers. Every children search different type numbers. They got, some children got 112, 113, 114 and 117. After some time, the children are hungry. Children are hungry. So they need to some food. Teachers give to every children orange. What give? Orange. How many children total? 210. So every children got one orange. How many orange got? One. So total orange is 210. And teacher gave one banana. 210 into 1 is equal to 210. But here some problem here. What problem? Only one banana, 5 biscuits, and Children, teacher gives 5 biscuits. How many biscuits give children? Teachers 5. Two 10 into 5. Total is 0, 5, 10. Total is 1050. Now children, after Manjit tell me 10. Number of is the exactly between 100 to 50. 38 children not take banana. How many children not take banana? 38. So B minus the 38 children. Now C here is equal to B. Solve here minus 38. You see here 10 is 11 is 10 is 1. 2, 7, 1. Check our answer. 8 or 2, 10. Carry on 1. 10 or 1, 11. Carry on 1, 1 or 1, 2. So our answer is 170. 2 children got banana. Got banana. Now children, see here, total is 210. Orange all children got. Banana 172 children got. And biscuit 150. Total biscuits packet. Now clear here. Next, they take their food, and after they eat food, they enjoy some puzzles. After puzzles, they went to a near a river and they want to boating. When you go picnic, जब हम पिकनिक जाते हैं तो बोटिंग के लिए बोलते हैं हमारे टीचर को. Same way, all children want to boating. Here is boating some rate here. Children, I write some boating rate. Double decker, pedal boat, motor boat, boat with oar. Children, ticket price is per person. Ticket price is per person या per ticket. Clear it? Rupees 30, rupees 15, rupees 25 and rupees 15. Now children, listen here. Here ticket price is per person या per ticket. Clear it? Trip time. Trip time. Forty-five minutes, 30 minutes, 25 minutes, and 45 minutes. Now children, we want some calculation and I asked to some question. Indra and Banu first went to motorboat. First went to motorboat. Here is motorboat. We Indra and Banu. Indra and Banu. They go to motorboat, then took a oar. Here is motorboat, here is oar. You see here, this is motorboat, this is oar. They go. How much did they pay for both the boat? How much they did pay both the boat? Here you see per person is ticket. So how many children go? 2 children, Indra and Banu. So how many tickets? Amount 25 into 2. Because here 2%. So ticket is 2. 50 rupees. Clear? Time is 25 minutes. Time is same. Amount is different. Because here same time we go many children, like a बस में टिकट एक होता है, लेकिन बस में पूरी बस भरी रहती है. आप देखते हैं अपनी बस में एनपीसीआई की बस चलती है, अपने डिपार्टमेंट की बस जाती है यहाँ से कोटा गई, रावलकोटा टू कोटा. व्हेन बस many person go, what ticket is different. All person got ticket. So here 2% ticket amount is 50, time is 25. Here is forward 15, 2%, 30 rupees. Clear? Here RS are written because rupees amount. So total amount is 80 rupees. RS 80 rupees. RS here or here, what place we write? No problem. Now timing is 25 and 45 minutes. So timing is 25 minutes and 45 minutes. So timing is 0. Total they go, they enjoy the 70 minutes. How many minutes? 70 minutes. How many hours in a, sorry, how many minutes in a hours? 60 minutes. So they enjoy 1 hour and 10 minutes. Clear? Now next question is, which boat make 2 trips in a hours? We see here, time here 30, 45 minutes, 30 minutes, 25, 45. So which boat is 1 hour and 2 trips? So we simple 30 minutes is half hour. So 1 hour is 60 minutes. So then 2 trips is 60 minutes here. Okay, 2 trips 60 minutes. So which boat? Pedal boat. Pedal boat. 2 trips, the 1 hour. Next question is, which boat take less than half an hour to complete a trip? Which boat take less than half an hour? Less than, not half, less than half an hour to take a trip, 1 trip. So which boat? Here we see 45 minutes is more than half hour, 30 minutes exact half hours. Here is half an hour. 25 minutes is half an hour. So which boat is? Motor boat. Answer is motor boat. Next question is, which boat take Javed went twice for voting. He paid a total of rupees 40 and voted for 50 minutes. Which two boats did he take? Now, Javed. Children, you see here. You don't think about Javed. You think you go for voting. You have only 40 rupees. How many rupees you have? 40. Clear? But your condition is you want to 50 minutes. How many minutes you want voting? 50 minutes. What rupees is 40? Problem is difficult. But here no difficult. So which votes you take? Okay. Now you see here. Here is 15 rupees time voting rate is paid 15. So one timing is 30. So one vote you take pedal vote. See here. Got 30 minutes. And amount 50. Okay. Next is you want 50 minutes. Okay. Next is or amount. Take care amount 40 rupees. More than not 40. So 40 rupees is motor. Here 15 or here 25 rupees. So here amount 25 motor. Here timing is 25 minutes. So here your timing is 55 minutes. See here 5. You want only 50 minutes. What your timing is? And amount is 40. So nothing problem. No problem. Now next. It is clear? Now children, in this lesson, one question is different. Think of a number of bits can be divided by 2, 3 and 5. Comes between 25 and 50. 25 and 50. So how can we solve? We solve here 2 into 3 into 5. All the three numbers be multiplication. 5, 3 is 15, 2 is 30. Which number is now? 30. 30. Clear? Now other way, we write here 2. Which numbers b divided by 2? Those numbers come with and 0 and or even number. Even number divided by 2. 3 जिन नंबरों का टोटल 3 से डिवाइड हो सकता है. एग्जाम्पल 27 = 7 + 2 9. 9 divided by 3. So it is equal to 3 3 is 9. Same way we see here 42. 4 + 2 6. 6 divided by 3. So we know 3 2 is 6. Clear? Here Next number is 5. Which number is we divided by 5? G. Those numbers come last in 0 and 5. So we see here. Other way, these numbers are different type of number. They don't divide it to एक दूसरे से ये डिवाइड नहीं हो सकते. They don't divide it to another. And so we write here multiplication. So here is 30. Which number is come between 25 to 30? 20. So we got 30. Next question. I get 4 copies. Each to 4 of my friends. Children, example, you give your friends 4 copies to 4 your friends. Here I give 4 copies each to 4 of my friends. If you have 4 friends, you give all 4 friends 4 copies. 4 copies. How many friends? 4. 4 into 4. Total copy is 16. You divided. How many copies you divide? 16 copies you divide. Now 3 copies are left with me. 3 copies left with you. So total how many copies? So 3 copies left with you. B plus 3. Total is 19 copies you have. How many copies you have? 19 copies. Children, this type question you saw. Now other way we write here. What number can you make using 3, 5, 7? See here. 3, 5 and 7. What number can you make? You see here 3, 5, 7. 5, 7, 3 and 7, 5, 3. Other than you see 5, 3, 7. Don't repeat any number. Okay? So these numbers are we make. Other question is here a number become double it is increased by 8. What is the number? Children, we see here a number become increase. Now see here a number become double if it is increased by 8. 8. What is the number? You listen carefully. A number becomes double. कोई नंबर डबल हो जाता है if it is the increase by 8%. So which number is same number? You see here if we double the 8, so we have 16 and double is 2. 16 increase by 8. 60. So both numbers are same. Clear? Now one more question you see here. A small ant climbed 3 centimeters in 1 minute. This is 3 centimeters. Oh, yeah. You see. Clear? A ant climbed 3 centimeters in 1 minute, but slipped 2 centimeters. 3 centimeters climb. What? 2 centimeters slip down. 2 centimeters slip down. In a minute. Now children, Question are how to climb to 2 centimeter. Each one and go 3 centimeter here. And clear it. It down 2 centimeter. So 1 minute out. He got 1 centimeter. He climbed 1 centimeter in a minute. Then again he climbed 3 centimeter. He slid down 2 centimeter. Then he stayed 2 centimeter. So how many times he got? 2 minutes. 1 minute, 2 minutes. Clear? In a minute he climbed 3 centimeter. 1 मिनट में वो 3 सेंटीमीटर ऊपर चढ़ते हैं. क्लाइंबर तो ऊपर चढ़ते हैं और फिर 2 सेंटीमीटर नीचे फिसल जाते हैं. तो कितने सेंटीमीटर पर वो रुके? 1 सेंटीमीटर. फिर अगेन वो रिपीट करती है. 3 सेंटीमीटर चढ़ती है, फिर 2 सेंटीमीटर स्लिप हो जाती है. तो 2 सेंटीमीटर. तो टाइमिंग 2 मिनट्स. 2 सेंटीमीटर. क्लियर है? Now children, you solve all the question and last you read your lesson and in a last page number 34, you solve all the maths the following. When you read this question, you write a right time everywhere. When you got Bhimbatka, when you reach river, when you reach Bhopal, you everything right time, then you fill up, match this question. Clear it? Thank you children.